I'm not convinced with how coach Abdeslam Owadu decided to approach the game against the Milford FC this Saturday, Orlando Stadium. I really wasn't happy with my tactics wake. I wasn't happy in starting 11 yake. I also wasn't happy with his bench. But because it's the first game of the season, really he'll get away with it. And it's even difficult to talk about certain players. But last season, into Yalimazi Orlando Pirates kwamanyama game is this thing of not having impact players at benchini. Orlando Pirates had no impact players at benchini. Who have never played in a sold out Amstel Orlando Arena Amstel whatever Kamala lento Orlando Stadium Amstel Arena Orlando Stadium lento le yabo. But the one player that I want to focus on the most, Utito. A lot of people mangikhuluma ngotito bana lento lo yokuthi hey wena ulazi ibholo hey what because abantu abaningi are blinded by their love for Utito. Utito Maswanganyu uyayidelay Orlando Pirates makumele ukuthi attack. Utito Maswanganyu uyadelay makumele ukuthi release ibholo. He struggles to drop back, he struggles to read the game, he struggles to take runs, he struggles to find himself in the right channels or the right positions. As a creative playmaker, that's not how you should be playing. As a creative playmaker, angeke ungitshele ukuthi bafethu ama winger wethu are in the game ukuhlula wena as the creative playmaker ukuthi uwemele ukuthi bathole. But in this game on Saturday, abo Ozonapolis nabo Muremi bekumele ukuthi bathole yena Utito. Lapha yana on Saturday Utito bekakhona just for the sake of being there. He was just the 11th man lapha for Orlando Pirates. He offered nothing in attack, offered nothing in defense, offered nothing in positional football. Beka slow nokuba slow ebholweni. Kanti bafethu indaba yaka Tito yeni khulunya nini na? Yena uhlala nini kanti ebenchini? Nanoma simbona ukuthi uyayicost team kwamela aqhubeka adlale. Nanoma sibona ukuthi uyasidelay masiya phambili kwamele ukuthi aqhubeke adlale. It's not fair because bakhona ama player bangadlala kangcono ukuhlula yena la position lena mara labo bantu laba badlaliswa. There must be someone ku management omthandayo lo mchita lo because I don't believe mina Utito is in kuma plan waka Abdeslam Owadu. I don't think kuma plan waka Abdeslam Owadu. You can see I player elidlala because lithandwa management. Uyambona noMbuthuma asikho dom ezinye izinto sibadala besihlela lapha stadium. You saw how Yanela Mbuthuma struggled against Milford FC. If he's struggling against a team that's newly promoted to the Betway Premiership, playing top flight football for the first time, what more is he going to do against Abo Sundowns, Abo Skukune, Abo Stellenbosch FC, Abo Kaizer Chiefs? Orlando Pirates must find a way to either loan out Yanela Mbuthuma or just part ways now. We can't be patient season in season out ne player early one. Last season sharp fade abantu abaningi bebathi season yakhe yokuqala the club was patient naye bamdlalisa nakama game la bebangamdingi khona even though they could see the players who were the weakest link for Orlando Pirates kule game lena against the Milford uye lo mfana lo Yanela Mbuthuma lapha eboxini bekangabonakali kunala bekawa uzuzibuza ukuthi uwiswa yini when he had to trap the ball struggle ukucontroller. How many shots did he take as a striker? Ushuta amashot engakho Yanela Mbuthuma as a strike ayikho sharp lento lena bafethu because as supporters we traveling from different parts of the country siyahamba siyalapha Orlando Amstel Arena to go watch an entertaining team entertaining football, not to go watch Yanela Mbuthuma do lezinto lezi azenzile. It's bega Orlando Pirates technical team nizamile shem nimpila uMbuthuma chance, but unfortunately Mbuthuma will never live up to the expectation. Mbuthuma will never be the missing puzzle for Orlando Pirates, and he will never be the player that Orlando Pirates expects him to be. Leya badge iyamsinda. Playing in a sold-out stadium for him is too much. Yanela Mbuthuma must go back to Richards Bay or ahamba yodlala ku Chippa United or even yabona ku Milford angaba right kubo bona or Milford nan. So I saw coach Abdeslam Owadu lapayana angithi uyambona umuntu during the course of the game na the way a coach ngakhona, and you can see nanoma mama combination are different. The one thing he got right was the switching yaka Tshepang Muremi no Ozonapolis, because when the game started Ozonapolis was playing on the left drifting to the right, and then Tshepang Muremi playing on the right drifting to the left. But unfortunately Tshepang Muremi is a traditional wing low, he's left footed, he should be playing on the left and ahlasela from the left. Akusumuntu ukuthi manje kwamele simconvert sinini simfakela adlalela, and he lapho nalapho had a beautiful game, but Orlando Pirates uyabona ukuthi they were struggling to combine as a team. Bebahluleka ukucombine as a team, and for me they were lucky to win that game. There was a point where I thought actually that game Leana could have finished as a goalless draw, but shout out to Ozonapolis for opening the scoring. But their team there ibabambili Orlando Pirates, that team controlled Orlando Pirates. Now you ask yourself Fuguti, if coach Abdeslam Owadu we continue to make the same mistakes season in season out where we don't have an impactful bench, number number one. And then number two, we continue uglokesi rotator, trying out new combinations, but we take the win. And congratulations to Orlando Pirates, congratulations to now coach Abdeslam Moadu. Our fit. One thing about me Nyangazi, I give credit where it's due. Lomfana Lono Kabelo Khositsile came on as a substitute. He looked more energetic than some of the players that started the game. He was more hungrier than some of the players that started the game. In terms of effectiveness and creativity, he offered more than some of the players that started the game. Lomfana Lona is definitely someone to look out for Gulu season. If he can keep up the performance, Lena, I'm telling you, so the story is different. By the time you Pelo MTN Lomfana Lonuzoba Segasintlizionze as a supporter. And also now I want to give credit to the Orlando Pirates technical team and the scouting department. Number one, for seeing this boy. Number two, for Gumtata Bamise Baroka FC and only bring him back good top flight now when he is ready. Because he looked ready. He was cooking with that game Leana Bega Tatama player. There was a point la Ashuta Kona Sonke Bestanguti Uzokora. He had a very beautiful game. Now the only thing or the only major concern would be Coach Abdeslam Moadu rotation. Let's hope he'll give this boy enough game time and he'll allow this boy to play Ikemi. But I saw his pizza, I saw how he controls the ball, I saw how he takes Amaran. Kona nala beba to offside, tangeko offside, but Lamaran la wakawashayayo. Uyambona ukuthi he's someone no dlala le high press yaka coach Abdeslam Moadu. So he'll have a very good season under coach Abdeslam Moadu. Another player that I just want to give his flowers and congratulate Ilomfana lo Cameron Denson. Beskulume from last season. After we saw him go like game le Mamelodi Sundowns, we did say supporters go to there's something there. And then Orlando Pirates, they were using batting Slungu sparingly. Orlando Pirates bemsebenzisa sparingly. Sometimes bayamfaka sinina bamfake, but you could see ukuthi the way coach awari bekamsebenzisa ngakhona bekamupha ithuba just ukuthi athole confidence yakhe, because wow, as Joe would say, wow guys, Israel into Saturday into zenzile lo mfana lo. I mean, I saw how the way abone ukhositsile ngakhona wamshanga long pass yafika kuye, the way he commanded that midfield, he played better than Utalent Mbata. He was more confident than Utalent Mbata. He was offering Orlando Pirates a lot on and off the ball. Cameron Denson, he played the box to box. That time Roliak was to be a central midfield. Only special players know how to do that. Bagnige something go attack, babuye foot bagnige something when they are not in attack. Bekumele ba defender. Like it's very seldom ukuthola umjida okwazi ukushaya ama clean tackle njengalo mfana lo. Very very well developed young man, and I think umjida in no time so basikhuluma story is different. Lo mfana lo uzohamba overseas fast. He could even go overseas before he even plays for Ibafana Bafana. I'm hoping ukuthi he can keep it up lo mfana lona, and I really do hope ukuthi they can give him enough game time. It would be interesting to see, because it would be interesting to see ukuthi le competition ala Orlando Pirates in the middle of the park izohamba kanjani. Talent Mbata had an okay game. He wasn't good, he wasn't bad, he just had an okay game. But for me, Talent Mbata is not the type of player okuthi you'd expect him season game in game out ukuthi perform kahle. Ushilo no coach Pitso Musimane. Sometimes you see him, sometimes you don't see him. Mara makangekho, that's when you realize ukuthi kahle le game idinga uMbata. So his presence alone uyafana no Tebza somehow ila machita lawo ukuthi the team can feed off the confidence yakhe, they can feed off the energy yakhe ne character yakhe. Shout out to Talent Mbata. By the way, ninantukana la comment section anginasikhatsini namhlanje yabona nginishaya ngebhomnya, wabona ama comment wenu ubona lapho umuntu ohlela ngananto ayenza ukuthi nesikhatsi sokuhlala thukana, but asikho lapho. Now you move on to Libone Siema. What a player. Bafethu. Lampona Kiri. I saw how he supplied with Tsepang Muremi, and then Tsepang Muremi, nice run, took on goalkeeper, and then Waikora. I was even expecting him in a gutam shy first time keeper Magasapuma, because usually the best way yokushaya goalkeeper is Magasapuma sa attacker, then we am cheaper lapena, but I guess Tsepang Muremi plays like a much more experienced player. So what happened with the game lane Orlando Pirates ne Milford City is that Orlando Pirates lapana badlalang experience. They went that strong. Siyazi ukuthi first game mara le team bayishanjing experience. It was just the experience ebashayile, control tempo of the game, match reading, distribution, taking on players, bayishanjing experience.